During this video, we will create a LabArchives account and have a navigational tour of the notebook. We'll discuss how to create your account. We'll take a look at the first notebook that you create, discuss parts of the page. We'll browse other notebooks that we have access to, discuss search, and take a look at the various notebook settings and controls that are available. First up, to create a LabArchives account, you will go in your browser to one of our regional servers. We have four main regional servers. Be sure to select the correct region that you are part of. In some cases, you may want to wait until you are invited to a notebook to set up your account. You'll receive an email like this one and click on the Create Your Account Now to get started. If your institution has single sign on enabled, you will select the Sign in through your institution and select your institution on that list. You'll log in with your institution credentials. If your institution is not on this list, select Sign up for free and you will fill out the account creation form and you'll receive an email with a link to activate your account. If you have questions about any LabArchives tool, please get in contact with us. You can email our support team at support@labarchives.com, review our help center at help.labarchives.com, or check out some of our other resources on our resources page. Once you log in and the account is activated, your first notebook will be created automatically. This notebook is named on the left-hand side, My Notebook, and it's a great starting point. On the left-hand side of the screen is the structure of your notebook. In this case, I have just one page called Untitled Page, and I can add information to this page with various entries. When viewing a page, you can add attachments by drag and drop, or select the option for New to select any of the various entry types. To learn more about adding entries to your notebook, see our other support resources and videos. By clicking the word New on the left-hand side, you can create additional pages and folders. Folders are a great way to divide up your notebook. If you right click on any page or folder, you'll see options like renaming or deleting that particular page or folder. Keep in mind, entries, pages, and folders cannot be permanently deleted from the notebook. You can also move pages and folders by drag and drop on the left-hand side. If I click the word notebooks at the top left, I would see any notebooks that I have access to or that I own. The notebooks in bold, I own, whereas the notebooks that say owned by someone else are owned by a colleague. If I want to create additional notebooks, click the plus icon. Here I can name the notebook and select a folder layout that I would like to use. At the top left, you might see Free Edition on your first login. If you should be part of an enterprise license, notify the LabArchives team or your site administrators for assistance. If you would like to purchase a professional edition license for LabArchives, you can click Upgrade Now at the top to purchase a license. When your account is on a site, you'll notice that the edition is listed on the top left. Along this top bar, you'll see the search tool. You can perform simple searches by typing into this box or click the drop down menu to see the more advanced search. From here, you can filter your search, search across multiple notebooks, and it's a great way to find the data in your notebook later on. By clicking your name, you can update details like your name or email address within a user properties. You can manage access to multiple notebooks all at once within Account Manager, and you can even sign out of your account. At the bell icon, you will access LabArchives activity feed. This will provide you with notifications about important things going on in your notebook that you need to be aware of, and it can also be used by notebook owners and administrators to check in on activities by members of your team. At the information icon, you'll find all of our help resources, knowledge base, quick start guides, and you can help get in contact with our team. At the inventory or test tube icon, you'll access LabArchives inventory. If you'd like to learn more about LabArchives inventory, see the various videos and guidance materials through our Help Center. At this triple dot menu, you'll see various options like accessing the activity feed, notebook dashboard, how to create and manage widgets in your account, and even under utilities, there'll be options for exporting your notebook, like creating an offline notebook or a PDF. If you are a notebook owner or administrator, you'll have access to the notebook settings, and there are a number of settings that you can adjust for each notebook. Within notebook settings, you can also access user management. This is where you can invite other members to your notebook. During this video, we've covered how to create an account, how to set up your first notebook, and some of the various parts of the page. If you'd like to learn more about any LabArchives tool or feature, please see some of our other support resources, or you can click the eye on the top right, select the various help resources like our knowledge base.